testing the mouse. Yep, classic double-click issue, completely unusable. Time to fix it. Removing the mouse feet and unscrewing the case. Disassembling everything to reach the electronics. Carefully separating the two halves of the mouse. Disconnecting the cables and taking out the PCB with the scroll wheel. I've got this green donor board, about to perform a micro switch transplant. Desoldering the dead switch from the original mouse board. To install the new switch, the solder must be cleared from the holes. Life hack: heat it with a soldering iron and poke the hole with a toothpick. Holes are clean. Installing the donor switch and soldering it in place. But wait, second problem. A tiny switch with a yellow plunger, 2-shot button. No spare part for this one, so we're going full DIY repair mode. Inside there's a small contact spring, carefully removing it. Cleaning the spring and contacts to remove oxidation and bad vibes. Gently bending the spring back to restore that crispy click. Putting everything back together and snapping the switch closed. Time to reassemble the mouse. Boards go back in. Reconnecting cables, routing wires, closing the case. Tightening the screws and sticking the mouse feet back on. Done. Click feels brand new. Like, subscribe, and never rage click again.